Kenny, you are presenting to us today. There's no going back, no going back. Okay, good. Look at channel. Look at channel. Map the chat input. Map the chat input high. Chat input high. Map it into the AI agent.
I don't know what you mean, map. Hold on.
Drag and drop.
Okay.
Drop. Yeah, drag and drop is the act of mapping. No, chat input high. Look at chat input high.
Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, sorry.
Yeah. That is it. Okay. Yeah, drop it. Drop it. Okay. Hold on. Why that's a lot of space there? Clean it up. Clear the space. No. Tap inside. Yes, clear the space. Yes, clear it again.
Hold on.
Clear the space down. That's long.
Yeah, I try to.
Bring down your cursor. Bring the cursor down. Then click on delete on your keyboard. Delete.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Click on it. Yes, it's okay now. Okay. Execute step. Okay. Good. Good. Hold on first. Hold on. Exit here. Close. Go to switch. Go to switch. Okay, good. The first one, Jason.reply.
Yeah.
Clean it. Okay. Go to edit field. Edit field 1. Drag channel.
Yeah, where I need to drop it.
Value 1. Then type value 2. Chat inputs. Chat input, exactly the same spelling. Good. Execute. Good. Now rename, instead of it's named Telegram, so rename it to chat input. Rename it to chat input. Execute. Okay, good. Close it. Close it. You can see data has passed.
Yeah.
So swap the Telegram. Put the Telegram down. That was a mistake we made, but you can correct it later. Put the Telegram down. Remove the Telegram from there.
This one.
Yeah, disconnect the Telegram. Disconnect.
Okay.
Disconnect. Yes. Then put it down. No, that do nothing. Hold on. Delete the do nothing. Delete it. Yes, good. So map Telegram to the lower channel. Map Telegram to the lower channel. Yes. Okay, go and send message to your AI agent. Send a message to your AI agent. Just send it high. Yeah, on pin and
I'm
send.
seeing here. Mm.
Your your Google credit has finished. Okay, try again. Try again.
Try again, like put high.
Yeah, put her again. Let's see. Your Google credit has finished.
Oh,
I pray it goes this time. Okay.
no.
Your Google token your Gemini token has finished, but then it will work now.
Okay.
Whenever you have an output at the end of the agent, whenever there is an output,
Mm-hmm.
any input you are putting there is expecting to output from there. So that is why you have to separate it. You have to separate all
Yeah.
the outputs.
Okay.
Yes. Any input you put is going to expect an output from there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Next person. Who did I point as next person?
Oh, okay.
Mm, who did I point as next person? Who was that? Okay, Isaac Kobina, your turn. Show us what you built, what it does, and your challenges.
Oh my God.
I really didn't complete it, but let me show you what I have.
After Isaac Kobina, I wanted to do this. Guys, remember I said week week 4 is supposed to be practicals, right? I'm supposed to by now we are supposed to have been done with AI agents. Then we go to practicals. Then week 5 we do the voice one, right? That's what we are supposed to be doing. But now, can we even proceed when people are still finding it difficult to do the basic things? Okay, so that's why I want us to do, even if what we are going to do today is show me where you are, show me where you are stuck. Let me see. All right, then I would go through the explanation. Now, what I want to do today is continue on the AI agent. Okay, continuing on that on the AI agent, but then um showing you how to make it to be multi-input and multi-output. That's what I want to do today. All right. Then I know that week 4 will now enter into AI RAG system. But now I have I have um I have a proposal to you people. It's left for you to accept. All right. Maybe we should do every Friday evening by 4 p.m. Friday evening, 4 to 6 p.m. or 3:30 to 6 p.m. Refresher, a day where everybody you come up with your problems, your issues, your challenges, everything. We deal with it within that 2 hours, 30 minutes. Is that okay by you people? I know people will say they go to work, but then I'm constrained by time. I'm constrained by time. So is that okay for you? Fridays, 3:30 to 6 p.m. We go through all everything where you're having issue. Now, this is an additional thing, just to make sure you people learn this. Our agreement is 3 classes per week. Now I'm adding it 4. All right. So Friday will be Friday 3:30 p.m. 3:30 in the afternoon will be more like refresher day, where you tell me your problems, we'll look at it. Anything you're building for yourself, whether you're building something for yourself and you're stuck, we look at it, right? Okay, everybody seems to be okay with it. Kenny, after Isaac, it's you. Don't even tell me you did not do anything. You will pay diaspora fine 5,000. So Isaac, remove what is on your screen. Yeah, you can just close it. Close it with the X there. Close it with the X. All right, so let's see what you've done. Why didn't you finish it?
I stopped midway. I got distracted with other things, so that's how come I stopped midway.
This is since when? No, since Sunday.
Yes, you know, some of us, we have a lot of things we are involved in. So sorry I couldn't devote time as I'm expecting here. But
all right.
I was linking it to my email for it to read my email. The challenge I had was whichever time I select, it's not able to pick all the emails. It looks like I'm giving it the wrong prompt.
No, it is not supposed to pick all the emails.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
This is supposed to be a smart system that knows it should pick the email it hasn't picked before. Do you understand? So
yeah,
even when you pick an email right now, if you execute it again, it will not pick that same email again.
Okay.
So it is smart, knowing that the email is supposed to pick is email going forward.
Okay.
Do you understand? However, with what you did there, the Starlink important means that the emails it will be picking are the emails within those labels. So any email that doesn't come to Starlink label and important label. However, if you use my Starlink referral link to order for Starlink, they will give you 1 month free and also give me 1 month free. So what are you waiting for? If you want to buy Starlink, use my link. Starlink will give you 1 month free subscription, and they will also give me 1 month free subscription. All right, so let's do it win-win. Get 1 month, and I get 1 month. So
buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free.
Right. Okay. So that was where I was getting, because I was thinking to get my data, it can read even the old one, but as you've explained, it picks it once and then it doesn't pick it again.
Yes.
So that sort of distracted me. So I kept going back and forth.
Yeah. So
I selected the labels. Yeah.
When you now pick it, okay. Now go to the top. You see event is message received. Now click on that event. Click on the event. You can see it's only when message is received, not pending messages. Only when message is received. So if it refreshes and it doesn't pick fresh message, it will not pick it. So it is a system that you are setting and it works going forward, not backlog.
No backlog.
Yes.
Okay. So if I remove the filter, maybe I should get any data that is available to see if I can catch any data.
Yes. Okay. Remove the filter and get the data available.
Okay. So there's any random data.
Okay.
It looks like it picks only one data at a time.
Yes.
And not multiple.
Yeah,
So
that
that's the
is
most.
that is how the email trigger works. It
Okay.
picks one data at a time, right? So that is to just give you a test data that it wouldn't. It's just the test data you're going to work with. However, this is an additional thing. There is an email node that you can use and put it mark as read, so that immediately it reads your email, your workflow will process and it will mark that email as read email. It won't leave it as an unread email.
Okay.
Yeah, so that it keeps picking fresh email, fresh email, fresh email.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So that's clear. You can
That's
see
clear.
that you removed the filter and it picked data.
Yes.
Yeah, good. Go to table, click on the table. Yeah, so that table will make you, okay, scroll. Use the slider to scroll. Yes. Yeah, you can, yeah, keep going. Now look at the text. This is what you want.
Yeah.
Text. Yes, this is what you want, what you're going to map with. That
Okay.
text. All right. Okay. All right. So who else? Who else? Kehinde Balogun. Balogun Kehinde.
Um, Hi, good evening.
This your hi you say this way. Is it a kind of hi to say, oh no, I've not done anything yet, or is it hi to say, oh yeah, let me share my screen? Your mic is muted. I can't hear you.
I said I've done something, but I got stuck somewhere. I couldn't press it.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah, I'll come in. I'm going to. I was using my phone, then I'm about to change to my laptop.
Okay. So I'm going to turn off my video so network can be a lot easier for people, because showing my video, the next person showing their video, and so let me turn off my video.
Got pieces.
Yeah, Kenny, share your screen. Listen,
Oh
everybody's
yeah.
supposed to turn on their videos. Actually, if you're presenting, you're supposed to turn on your videos. I don't know why you you people don't want to turn on your videos. I am your client right now. You're presenting to your client, the CEO of February training. You're supposed to turn on your video and present wonderfully. People are running from the camera. No wahala. Okay, let's proceed, Kenny.
Oh yeah. I'm on it right now.
So after Kenny, after Kenny, I'll go with my very special student.
Where is it?
After Kenny, I'll go with two very special students, two of my best students, which is number one is Queen Ikuji, number two, Williams Ofonime Etok. So hold on, please. Joshua Judith, what is your name on WhatsApp? Joshua Judith. What's your name on WhatsApp? Okay, the person has left. All right, let's see you, Kenny. Queen Ikuji, after you, Williams Ofonime. My adopted in-law. All right. If your N8N is expiring or has expired and you've not built up to 10 workflows. If you've not built up to 10 workflows, you're supposed to call me and send me 50,000 naira. If you've not built up to 10, anybody that has not built up to 10 workflows and their N8N is expiring. So if you're here, your N8N has expired or is expiring, and you don't have up to 10 workflows, you have my account number. 50K fine, sharp. Just use the brush button there to brush it up. Use that brush button down there, your left. Yes. Yeah, just brush it up. Then scroll. Yes. Okay, so what were you trying to achieve? What were you trying to build? Where were you stuck? And why were you stuck?
Yeah, actually, I actually used this one for the first what's it called, but to achieve, you said we should create an agent that can send a mail and calendar and send I don't know. Yeah. But I was trying to build the assignment you told us, the one that can send a mail and can read calendars and can, tell us what to do and everything. But actually, I used this one for the first one. Then I was like, then I tried. Then after I asked what's it called? ChatGPT for the assignment, and he told me I can use email trigger, or I can use Telegram or WhatsApp trigger. Then I tried to use the Telegram. I don't understand it. Then I tried the email trigger.
Did you use the video to watch how to connect your Telegram?
What video? I didn't see the video for the Telegram.
The last class video, the Telegram connection was there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because the Telegram, when I actually checked the Telegram, it's got like a lot of triggers. I don't know which one to pick for my triggers.
Yes, so it has lots of triggers here.
Yeah.
But you needed just one item. You needed to do something. What do you intend to achieve from Telegram? Okay, now let me use this to tell you people how to choose your nodes. Okay, let's talk. Kenny, how do you what do you need from your Telegram?
I want to create
No, what do you need that your Telegram node to do for you?
Okay, to send information to the AI agent.
So which means
the Telegram. I don't know what the Telegram. Actually, I don't know what the Telegram is going to do, but I know it's going to send a message to the AI agent.
Okay, good. So you mean you want the AI agent to receive messages from the Telegram?
Okay.
Is that what you want? You want when you send message through the Telegram, it comes to the AI agent?
Yes.
Okay, so in summary, what is that? What are you sending? Hold on. What are you sending?
That's it. I don't know what I'm sending.
Okay. Now you want to send a message to the AI agent. So in summary, what are you sending?
A message.
Good. So since you want to send a message to Telegram, go to your Telegram node and look for that particular trigger on Telegram. Open your nodes. Add Telegram node. Yeah,
okay.
Then search for Telegram. Then look for that particular, this thing you just said now, a message on the trigger side. Good. These are actions. Go to the trigger side. Go to the trigger side. Down, trigger. Now it has 9 triggers. Okay, expand it. Now, good. Which one is closest to what you want?
On message.
Thank you. Then you choose it. It's not on message, it's on message. That means when message is received, on message.
Okay, on message.
Good. So that is how you choose your trigger. What do you want to do? What do you want to achieve? You look for it.
Yeah, but my question now is that
You've done it?
why are you
Okay.
telling us to use Telegram or WhatsApp?
Thank you. Why am I telling you to use Telegram?
No. Like, no, not you. Yeah, because me, I actually like checked what was it called? I searched this thing and it told me to either use Telegram, WhatsApp, or Webhook for my message. But my own is that why is it telling me to use Telegram or WhatsApp since it is email you said we should do, like to send message to us so that we can receive, that can help with our mails and
calendars. No, I didn't tell you. Now this is where your job to analyze comes in as an automation specialist. I did not tell you to use email trigger. I did not tell you a trigger to use. I told you build a personal assistant that would send message, reply message, read your message, create calendar events. That was what I told you. I said personal assistant. If you put your email as a trigger, it has become email assistant, no longer personal assistant.
Okay.
So your personal assistant is somebody you should be talking to. That means you should be able to send your assistant on errands. So you should either use Telegram trigger or chat trigger or WhatsApp trigger, but you should use a messaging trigger, not an email trigger. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So what you built earlier on was correct, but with the one you use chat, it was correct. But when you changed it to email, it wasn't correct anymore. We now changed it to an email assistant. Go back, Hakaba.
Yeah, but when I actually used this chart though, and I got to a point whereby I couldn't move, I couldn't do anything because okay, I did this one, like that was the other one, then that was this one. That was this one. Then when I've deleted it though, because I just, when this one was actually connecting, but the other one was not connecting, then I just left it because it wasn't connected. I couldn't do the email. It was telling me it can't send, what's it called? It can't see anything output from the chart.
Okay, good. Open the other one. Okay, connect the chat trigger. Connect the chat trigger. Send a message to your agent, AI. It's going to fail.
Yeah.
All right. Why did he fail? Why did he fail?
Because it's not connected from the start.
No? Close the errors. Read the errors first before closing. Read them.
There was a problem executing the workflow. The workflow has issues and cannot be executed for that reason. Please fix them first.
All right, close them. Close them. Let me drag you people now through this. There are red seas looking at you there. There are bloods looking at you. 3 bloods are looking at you.
3 bloods, yeah. This one.
3 red dots. Now hover on the red dot and know what the red dot is saying.
I should open it.
Hover on it. I don't.
On
the red dot. Red dots.
Okay.
Yes, hover on the red dot. No, don't open. Just drop your mouse on the red dots.
Doing. Okay.
Thank you. Have you seen the issues?
Sorry.
Parameter 2 is required. Parameter subject is required. Parameter message is required. So your agent cannot do anything until you map those. So open your email, map them with your agent. Open that email node there.
This one.
The one that has the red dots now.
Okay.
Then use agent, use AI to map them. Look at beside that red line, there is a AI symbol beside it. No, not from there. Don't map there. Don't map from there.
Okay.
Now, yes.
Okay.
The reason you are mapping it with AI is because it is a tool under AI. AI determines where it will send. AI determines the message it will send. AI determines the subject. It is a tool under AI. It is not a standalone node.
Yeah, okay.
Good. Then map the message to. So when you tell your AI, send message to Adula Kuntus, AI will know that, okay, the subject should be message to Adula Kuntus. AI will know that, okay, this is message I'm sending to Adula Kuntus, and AI will ask you for Adula Kuntus' email. Then AI will now place that Adula Kuntus' email address there. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Close it and do the same thing with my calendar.
Okay.
Now, hold on. This email node you fixed now, what is the purpose of that Gmail node?
To
What
send
does
the
that?
message.
All right, good. Do the same thing with. Now, your calendar, you haven't added credential. Scroll up. Look at your calendar. You have not added credential. Create new credential. Sign in with Google. Connected. Good. Then do the same thing. Now it's created, right?
Should I use AI for default?
No, I don't think it's necessary.
Okay. Okay. This one doesn't have AI.
Now this is reply. No.
Yeah.
Good. Now you can see the difference. This is a standalone node. It is not an AI agent tool node. That is square, but the other one you worked with is round. Close this and see. They don't have the same shape. Can you see they don't have the same shape?
Yeah.
That one now can never come to under AI to stay.
Okay.
It can never stay under the AI, right? Then this your build here is wrong, because if you send in a message, even when you map that place correctly, you send a message to your AI, right? You send a message to your AI,
Yeah.
it will not give you response because it is expecting an output to be the email node and not a response to the chat. Let us try it. Open that email node. Open that particular email node. Open it so that everybody will see. Yes, open it up. Let everybody see. Then here, change the operation to send. Change the operation to send so that we can easily map something there.
No, it's not send.
Okay, close it. No, remove there. Yeah, then hold on. Resource. Click on resource. Message. Use message resource. Yeah, then the reply, change it to send. Send. Yes. Then write your email there. Write your email. Then the subject, just write anything on the subject. It's okay. Just then scroll down. Then write anything there. You can just write I and close. It's just a test. you can just write I. Then it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Then close. Leave it. Close. Go to your AI chat. Please, I hope every other person is watching this so that you will not make the same mistakes. Now go to the chat. Go to the chat and send a message. The chat, your chat at your left. Yes. Open the chat. Send a message. Just hit enter. Hit enter on your keyboard. Good. Your memory subnode. Okay. Open your memory subnode. Open the memory node. Yeah, open it. You defined it below, but you did not have a key to it. So go to mapping. Look at the mapping by your left. Drag the session ID into it. Okay, then close it. Send another message to your AI. Okay, now it's delivered. Hold on. Your workflow works. Okay, but now look at something very, very peculiar. No, open the chat.
Okay.
Open the chat. Look at something very now. Scroll inside that chat. Scroll inside the chat. Can you see? It gave you an output that the email gave, not a response to your message.
Okay.
It activated your email, not a response to your message. So when you have a chat input, you should always make sure that the end of the either you channel it properly or there is nothing there. So disconnect the email and send another message. You see that it will go. Williams, let's work with you now. Then send another message now. What did he tell you?
Understood. I'm Tolu, your elite executive assistant, ready to help you with your tasks.
What kind of prompting did you give your AI agent? Open your AI agent. Let me see. Why did he tell you understood? Open your prompting. Go to your prompting.
Is it?
Okay. You prompt user message. Nah, that's wrong. Close that. Sorry, so don't close it. Delete it. Wipe it. Wipe everything there. Map the chat input high and put it there. Map chat input high and put there. Yes. Then go back and chat it. It's open already.
Okay.
Yeah, chat it.
Okay.
Do you get it now?
But why did they put chibis? I be chibs.
Open your AI, open your prompts, your main prompt. Your AI agent. Let me show you why it said chips. Scroll down. Can you see you are Tolu, an elite executive assistant for chips? So it is assuming that any person that is talking to it is his boss. That is chips.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
That is why it is a personal assistant.
Okay.
So you're supposed to use it personally, not publicly.
Not publicly. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm signing off now.
William. Yeah, you can stop sharing your own screen. So that...
Boss, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Because I have a peculiar challenge here. I don't know what to do. I have lost everything I had in my former
What
account.
is the issue? What is the issue?
I have not been able to gain access to that account again after opening a new one. I had been looking for how to see how I can transfer that. I dropped a message in the platform, you know,
But someone answered
looking
you.
for assistance. But yeah, when I later
No, I want to
got back
cancel.
to the platform, I realized somebody gave me a tip. But the problem now is that I cannot, it continuously is showing me error 404,
Can you
no
share? I just said
workflow.
share your screen. Let's see what the issue is. Share your screen. If you talk from now till tomorrow, I don't know what you're talking about. Share screen. Let's see. Now, if you have an issue like this, share your screen. Send screenshots. I keep singing this, and from now, I think I'm going to do anybody that just comes to complain. I will ignore the person, and that's also why I ignored your complaint because I've been sounding, shouting, preaching. Share screenshots for every complaint you have. Share screenshots. But some of you will not share the screenshots. So how am I supposed to know what you're talking about? Error 404 cannot find workflow. From where to where?
From N8N.
Please, can
Anyway,
you
I
share
am
your
using lap.
screen?
I'm using laptop. I connected anyway. Let me connect. Let me use laptop. Let me disconnect from here and use laptop to connect.
Okay. Queen Ikuji, please go ahead.
Good evening, sister.
Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Show us what you built and where you are, where you got stuck, and to say what you built, what it is for, and the challenges you had.
Okay. Where do I go to now?
Please, let me say it again. Anybody that have any complaint, all right, any complaint, even if it's the smallest complaint, there are people who have been doing it since. And if you check, anybody that sends screenshot, the person receives instant answer. Anybody that sends screenshots with their problem, the person receives instant answer immediately, either from me or from another person. Right. So for whatever reason, at this stage, this is week 3, day 3. At this, which is like 9 classes. On the 9th class, you shouldn't still be talking about what you should do and what you shouldn't do, about sharing screen and not sharing screen. Okay, I'm saying it to everybody. I'm not talking to you, Queen. I'm saying it to everybody. If you have any issue, you don't share your screen, saying exactly what the problem is. Personally, I am not responding to you because you are not talking to me. Okay? So I cannot be giving you solutions on how to go, and at the end of the day, you still wouldn't even do that. And come on, it doesn't make sense.
I am sharing now.
So where is the workflow? Where's the workflow that is giving you the issue?
Okay. This is the new one I just opened. I
Okay.
thought it is because this one is open. That's why I've not been able to get the other one. Let me deactivate this and sign in using the former account. Let me
Can I
close
ask
this.
you? Can I ask you a question? Do you remember when I said if your account is expiring, download all your workflows and upload it into your new account? I also showed it on a video how to download and how to upload. Can you remember that?
No, I only what I thought that means is if your old account expires, that when you open a new one, you should upload it. Because I was wondering
So
if,
what do you upload if you don't download? How will you upload if you don't download?
oh my God, this is the problem I have now.
Is that your account name?
Yes.
Okay, no workspace here. Open admin panel. So click on admin panel. Click on the open admin panel. What is the email you used in opening that workflow? The first workflow. Okay.
Still showing this.
Did you read this correctly? Look at it. It's showing you below. Send magic link. Click on magic link. Then go to your email and look for the link it sends to you. Okay?
It's okay.
Please. I wouldn't have to be stressing on all this every time. Your issue is peculiar issue. This is actually not an issue at all. This is not an issue. This is a matter of reading what is on your screen. Okay. Then you click on the link, you go to your email, you log in through your email. To send you a link to your email, you log in through there. Okay. Now look at it. Magic email send. Okay, so go to your email and check. Did they send you an email? If they sent you an email, fine. All right. And
Man.
is this the email you use in creating the first account?
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
It is the email.
reload your email. Look at it there.
Which one is this now?
Go to manage. Click on export. Click on download workflows, which means your workflow actually expired and you did not visit there for days. That is why it's telling you to export, because it will give you a couple of days after expiry so that you can easily log in. But it expired, you did not visit there, you did not do anything about it. And it's today that you're complaining about it. So at the end of the day, whose fault? anytime we now everybody when your workflow expires, anytime we give you up to 5 days or thereabouts, I think 4-5 days to 1 week or so, that you will use it is a window that you can use to download all your workflows, all of them. If you do not visit your workspace within that period of time, they will deactivate it.
Boss, if not for the fact that you have at least held my hand to maneuver through all these things, I wouldn't have known. Honestly, I've been visiting the site, and each time
Have you complained? It is not now. You have successfully made us to spend time on things we shouldn't. This is basic internet browsing. That is what you're doing. Basic internet browsing. This is not automation issues. But we have spent time doing it. Something you would have just screenshot and put in the group and ask for assistance. All right. So Penny Kuji, please
Yes, sir.
present your own.
Okay.
These are basic internet browsings, all right, things you just do now. Now the workflow has downloaded. What you will do, go there, unzip. You go there to unzip them. When you unzip them, then you go to your new N8N instance, import them one after the other, one after the other. But you must unzip them first. Since I'm saying it, to go to your downloads, Williams, go to your downloads, unzip them, not there, your phone, your laptop download folder.
Okay.
Go to your laptop download folder, unzip the items you have downloaded. Then go to your new N8N instance, upload them one after the other. All right. Penny, could you do your own? Let's see your own. If it's a basic browsing issue, I'm not going to. Anybody that has basic browsing issues, I'm not going to attend to you on this class again. Just come to the class. Okay, yours is on. Okay, now your simple memory is having issues right now. Why is your simple memory having issues? Open your simple memory.
It's here.
Click
So
on
normally, okay.
click on the mapping by your left, by your top left. Look at that mapping by your left. Click on it.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay. Now hold on. Can you see where you clicked on define below? That define below. Before you clicked on define below, there is something written on top of it. What is that thing written on top of it?
Session ID.
What?
Session ID.
So where can you find your session ID?
Is here.
Where can you find your session ID to map?
Is
Thank
on
you.
the left side.
Thank you. Then you carry it and put into the key. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Map your session ID. Now, those string of keys, they are your session ID keys. Good. Now, close this. You have mapped your session ID right now, right? Now, the reason is that your AI agents, your memory, they use your session ID to remember you.
Okay.
Your session ID is a unique identifier of who they are chatting with, right? So then send message to your AI node. So sorry, send a message to your AI. Send message to your AI. Just say hi, then you enter.
I've done that.
Okay.
So now I've sent it. The chat.
Your workflow looks actually clean. It looks good. Now, when is see, Penny, your problem now is that look at the top left. Look at the top left. Look at the top left. What is it showing there? There is a warning sign showing by your top right, not top left. Your top right. There is a warning sign showing there. It has gone off. It was showing offline. Do you understand? It was showing offline. Open the memory again. Okay, good. Close it. Close it. Reload this page. Reload your browser. Send the message again. So your simple memory keeps breaking. Right? Open it. Check if there are any gaps or any spaces you place there. Delete it. Delete it. Delete what is there. Delete what is there entirely. Okay. Now go to the mapping again. Drag it and drop again. Okay. Then send the message again. I said wheels and so it keeps breaking, right? All right.
Yes.
Delete the memory. Yeah, delete it. Reload your page and add memory again. I said William and Queen, they are my special students. And this is a joke. They are very special students.
Mr.
If you
Chibuze,
know-
you add me, I mean, to be special students.
You cannot be my special student. You think if you are in my shoe, you put on from phone like this, beat one of them.
I understand. Small.
Okay, now leave it like this, right? Leave it like this. Good. Leave it like this, then send it again.
The
Wiz,
boss,
when you're
I
done,
beg,
let
excuse
me
me,
know.
please.
Yeah, go ahead, Wiz.
Please,
Queen.
you said when going to the download, my download,
Yes.
then I should do what I should export.
Extract. No, Queen, don't define below. Queen, no, don't define
Okay.
below. Leave it on that default connected chat trigger node. Leave it there. Leave it there. Change the context length to 30. Change it to 30. Yeah, then go and send the message. If it doesn't work now, I know that your village people. See, your network, I even said village people now, your network is showing offline.
Oh, good. And it's showing full bar here.
Look at your N8N. Your N8N is showing offline. Okay, it's back now. Now your memory has ticked good, so your memory is good to go. Then, okay, yeah, it has responded to you. Okay, it has responded to you. All right. Now, let me repeat this. I keep saying this, but let me repeat it. Your AI automation journey is all about creativity, problem solving, and read and write. If you don't read, you cannot get it. Like I am saying it for a fact. If you don't read, you can never, ever get automation. If you don't read, I mean, you will never. I'm not saying it like to to get to anybody, but if you do not read, you will never, ever, ever, ever get it. You must read what is showing on your screen. You must. It is a must. It is not negotiable. It is not negotiable. You must read what is showing on you. Your error nodes, your error symbols, you will read them. Those nodes, everything there is just literal, read and write. It is showing you session ID, which means go and look for where session ID is, carry it and put. It is showing you token. It means go and look for where token is, carry it and put. It is showing you what again? It's telling you error. AI agent subnode, AI agent model subnode not connected. It's simply telling you you should connect an AI model into it. But if you don't read, you will, you will never get it. Do you understand? So some of the issues I have been seeing, I don't want to mention names, but some of the issues I have been seeing is just issues of reading and writing. Just read. Oh, this thing is saying this. I would so sometimes I'll be on video with some people here, and I'll be like, "But this thing is telling you this. Can't you see what is showing you on screen?" The person will say, "Oh, what? Okay, we'll now do it." Come on, no, now. All right. So please, you must read. You must, non-negotiable. Non-negotiable. You must. MUST. You must, in capital letter. You must read. You don't just only read, you must learn how to read to understand. That is part of it. Even if you know how to read and you don't know how to read to understand, you will never get it. And you'll be doing the wrong thing. Imagine your client wants you to clean data, for instance, or to map data, and maybe you're building a workflow that qualifies data. You see, the person tells you, I need people only from 10,000 to be qualified. Sorry, people above 10,000 to be qualified. Now, what the person said is above 10,000 to be qualified, and you are using greater than or equal to. That is wrong. You have messed that system up. They are not the same thing. Above 10,000 and greater than or equal to, they are not the same. That is you reading to understand. In the world of automation, you will see things like that. You will come across things like that. Don't think that, no, when you get there, you will master it. No, you start mastering those things now and now. Okay? Someone will tell you, okay, I need people who have word count of 50 to be qualified, and you are using switch node to qualify, when you're supposed to use code node to count it first before outputting it into your switch or if node. Do you understand? That is just the act of reading to understand, not technicality. Just the act. Once you have read to understand that, okay, this is what this person needs, this is what you need to do, you understand it, then it will help you to know how you solve. Common problem you're going to see, I'm telling you for a fact, especially if you're building lead qualification systems for people, common problem that will get you into plenty issue is reading to understand. Not even all your automation, reading to understand will land you into a lot of issues. Number one. Number two, see all those, I need something, I need people above 1 million or above 100 million to be qualified. And you're doing greater than or equal to 100 million. You have messed that client up. And if that client finds out, you've messed his business up, and if they find out, you are gone. It's a straight sack, because you'll be making them work with people that are not qualified. Do you understand the reason you should read and understand? You must, non-negotiable. See, I've been stressing this from day one. I've been stressing it. As time announcement will come, oh, people will not read. I will drop solution. Oh, people will now read. You see somebody answering somebody's question on a particular thing. Then next person is also asking a question on that same thing. What happens to your reading? Trust me, most of your clients are not going to be Nigerians. Most of your employers, you see, you want to earn in dollar, You think you think those people have patience and considerations like your fellow Nigerians? They don't. If anybody here has worked or interviewed with whites here, please signify. They don't have patience and that understanding your fellow Nigerians have. They don't.
They are very brutal. Very, very brutal.
Straight to the point.
To be honest, no brutal.
Straight to the point. Exactly. Zero joy, brutal. They don't care whether you intentionally made that mistake or not. They want you. This is what I wanted you to do, and you did not do it. It's over. Okay? You're a Nigerian person here. You might even be in an interview. You make a mistake to say something. The Nigerian person will ask you, do you mean this? Those guys will not ask you, do you mean anything? You have said it, they've taken it. You understand? So you must earning in dollar, even if you learn this skill 100% well, you start building 1 million workflows and perfect workflows. If you still do not know how to read to understand, to still be an issue for you. To still be a very big, even if you want to be, even if now you say, oh, like just like some people are doing, that they're tired of AI automation, or they didn't know it would be difficult, and they want to go and do virtual assistant, executive assistant, and all those, or customer care. Do you think they will give you those jobs on a platter? Even the virtual assistant, executive assistant, they still need you to do workflow automations. But the good thing here is, to be honest, you see this AI automation that you are learning, you are supposed to be king over every other person. Let me tell you my reason. Because I am learning AI automation with N8N. N8N is the most robust. There is no type of automation you do anywhere else that you haven't done on N8N. It's just drag and drop. Is it code? You've written it on N8N. Is it dragging to drop? You've written. Is it logic? You've done it on N8N. So N8N is the most robust of all of them. And once you know N8N, you can be able to do your Monday.com. You can be able to even do your HubSpot logic. You can be able to do your what's it called? Your 11 labs. You can be able to do your I want to go into go high level. Right? I've not been able to go. I've been procrastinating. I want to do go high level. I want to do go high level is also you can integrate it to N8N Quaterra, but it's also one of the most sought after. But it is not AI, it is not an automation, it is an all-in-one platform that you use, and it is a paid one. You see this thing that we do on N8N that you use another account. No, on Go High Level, you must link your card. And when you link your card, I think it's $1 card, right? When you link your card, it expires. You need to link, you have 1 month is 1 month. Nothing like self-hosting, all these other ones, nothing like self-hosting and all that. All right, so N8N gives you leverage to do a lot of things. But if you know automation with N8N, you can be able to do any other automation. I don't know if any of you here have tried automating on another. Just with the knowledge you have on N8N, go and create account on Zapier and try automating on Zapier. You see that it's the same. You will find Zapier very easy. You'll find Zapier very, very easy. I'm challenging you. Go and try it. Understand? So please try, do everything. Let me teach you. Let me see the beg you. Now you pay me money. And let me they beg you. Hey God, now people will pay money supposed to they beg me, but let me they beg them. Now me go see come group when they beg say, who has where they are confused for 3 of you? How many days have you asking? It's today that they answered me. Who has where they are stuck? Who has where they, it's today that Wiz is answering me. That's see the challenge he's having. This kind of teacher, I never see you. Okay, so we go to who else? Who else can I go to now? Adobe is supposed to be owing us presentation, full presentation. I told you, Adobe, are you ready for your full presentation? She will definitely say no.
Hello, sir.
Ma,
What did you say?
are you ready for your full presentation?
Full presentation? How? I thought we were sharing screen.
Last week, you were supposed to do a presentation, and I told you that the next class you will do a full presentation, well dressed, and
I do
presenting
not
to
have
your
light
parents.
right now in my place.
Your transformer will get burnt.
Really,
Or the wire connecting lights to your house will burn.
I am not lying.
NEPA office, their gem will spoil.
I can do I didn't really do much though. I just did the telegram.
Okay, fine. While you're on that, Nnamdi Samuel, Nampo Sam, yes. Let's see what you've done. Nnamdi Samuel. Adobe, get ready. Nnamdi Samuel, let's see what you've done.
Good evening. Good evening. I've not really been following up like for the past how many days. I just joined today, and I know I told you about it. So hearing about this today, I'm just hearing it for the first time.
Okay. God bless you for dashing me your money. Okay.
I know. I came to your DM to explain to you why.
Okay. You know, I forget actually. Okay, anyway, Godwin. Okay, anyway, let's see your own. You share a screen what you've done. Okay, anyway, Godwin, please share your screen. Show us what you've done, where you're stuck, where you're having challenge. In case you're speaking, your mic is muted. Okay, anyway, probably is not here.
So did you call my name? Sorry.
Is though, okay, oh, yeah. Show us what you've done.
Okay, so let me share my screen. This volume button shift now. Okay, share the window. And click on share. Okay. I don't know if you're able to see my screen.
Yes, I can see a screen now.
Okay.
This man don't build plenty workflows.
For where now, sir?
See intimidation. Intimidation.
Sir, you're the one teaching us now. What should I do, sir?
I'll give God and say, how can you apply where? Okay.
I was talking about special to be a special student now.
Okay, to be a special student, you have to stop understanding what we are doing now.
Voila. Voila.
I have a couple of special students that it's not like they don't understand. They The problem is not them understanding. The problem is they are finding it like, when you still think that it's a mindset, I feel it's a mindset thing that they think this is actually difficult, but it's not difficult. Just like this thing now, Isdor is showing us on the screen now. I'm very sure a couple of persons here their mind will just jump. Boom. How did this person do this? How did this? But this is actually something you can just do. Do you understand? Using those sticker notes. Notes. Emily, you need, okay, fine. If you want to join special student, you have to pay extra 100,000 to join special student group. Application form 100,000. Special students. Very good. So it's a mindset thing actually. Just stop thinking is a difficult thing. Stop thinking you need special skill for it. Stop thinking like that. Find it very easy. It's not rocket science. It's very easy. It's a normal thing you do. Your normal read and write, your normal drag and drop. You understand? Just very easy for you to do. Right? Okay. Okay. So what did you build? Explain to us. This looks good.
Yeah, I did a personal assistant using Telegram as my trigger to communicate with my AI agent to enable me get events on my calendar, to set events on the calendar, to create events on the calendar, and at the same time help me send Gmail emails, reply to my emails, and also delete some emails which I may not want. So each time I trigger the Telegram itself, it comes to my Telegram bot. So I created a bot on Telegram as you showed us to do. Okay. So when I say hi from it, and when I execute the workflow itself for the Telegram.
Okay, don't publish the workflow so that you can work with it from Telegram. Just publish it. Publish by right. Yes, publish. Yes. Okay, yeah, good. So you can now keep sending messages from Telegram.
Okay, when I open Telegram, I just ask it hi. How can I assist you? And if I write from N8N itself, from here, sorry, it's published, so I cannot. It's okay, it's listening. Okay, let me go back to Telegram.
It's still executing, so you stop the execution on N8N. Stop the execution on N8N since you have published it now.
Okay. So I should stop. It's listening right now, right?
Yes. Stop listening because you have published it. So just stop listening.
Okay.
Then close this. Then go to Telegram. Just go to your Telegram tab. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Go there. Then send message.
What is the latest email I have?
Just leave it. Leave it. Don't go to N8N. So maybe it's searching. All right. It has taken a couple of times, right? Go to N8N. Let me show you something. Click on executions.
It looks like a reply.
No, it didn't. Okay, check if there's a response. Check if there's a response.
Let me go back to Telegram.
Yeah, check it. Okay, send that message again. That message you sent now didn't come in.
What is my top 5 emails?
Okay, now go back there. Go back to N8N and see if Okay. So that did not come in. Now,
No, excuse me, sorry. Let him click on the execute workflow.
Okay, let me execute the workflow since if it's already published, it means executed already.
No.
Sorry,
No, hold on. Reload. Sorry, wait. Unpublish. Click on the three dots by the top right. Click on the three dots by the top. Yeah, unpublish it. Yeah, unpublish. Reload it. Reload. Reload your website, your browser. No, reload your browser. That place now. See reloading your browser there. I'm suspecting something because it was executing when you published.
I see.
Yeah, okay, then publish it again. Published.
Okay.
Yeah, publish. Then click on publish.
Okay.
Then click on OK. That's it. Oh yeah, go to Telegram and send message. Let's see.
Okay, now it's working. So
okay.
So the last email you received from ABC.
No, I can only help you with your emails when you set up for everyone. Could you please specify what criteria you'd like to see? For example, you're looking for top most recent. Yeah, top most recent emails now. You set up 5 emails.
So top most recent.
Yeah, I can say yeah, most recent. It's asking you to specify.
Okay. Actually, you say yes, right? So
yes, you can say yes, most recent. Okay. Okay, good.
okay, and that's correct. So if I go to my inbox, to that Gmail, I go to send or inbox itself, I'll see the top most recent email was sent to that email address it's talking about, which is this one.
Yeah, which is electronic. Okay.
I sent a promotion through Telegram. So this was a promotion email generated by, this is from the AI itself, this email.
Okay. All right. Your workflow is good. Your workflow is good. Please, everybody put your hand together for
Mr. Nobody.
For Isdo NK. Put your hand together for Isdo NK. He's the first person that has shown a non-problematic workflow. I said I will not call Osas today, because Osas will show us a good workflow.
Thank you, sir.
That's good. That's good. Please, you people should be posting and tagging me on Charles Joel. After Charles Joel, Nicholas Agbogan gets ready. Charles Joel, show us some.
Coach, I just come back from class like this. I don't even know what's in this up. The thing they do me like I don't know what's in that guy don't show like this.
Yeah, you people should be his name in the group is NIA. You people should be on him. Make una then show that NIA, that's his name. NIA. And don't let him rest until he has shown you the way.
Oh, I like go show us will be like you.
But honestly, right? Honestly, I used to see people I used to see people like some days ago. I saw someone having a meeting with their not this my group. I saw someone having that was a virtual assistant group, virtual assistant training. So I saw someone having accountability group meeting. It lasted long though. Accountability group. I was like, see people now. My own people, not even the accountability group, just like saying no exist. Nobody is even saying their partners are doing well or not doing well.
Coach,
Oh,
please, because time is almost there, something I wanted to ask you if you can just help us demonstrate how to add a knowledge base to our AI agents. I know you've done it before in the live, but I was not that active that day. What I wanted to do was on my workflow, I wanted to do a workflow whereby you can book agents or artisans who can come and fix problems in your house for a company that runs repairs and all that. So
okay.
fixing the knowledge base for the names of the artisans, their phone numbers, and how to book them was where I was having it.
Okay, give me a minute. Give me a minute. I'm coming. Okay. Give me a minute. I will go silent now, but as I'm going silent, who did I say will come up to? Nicholas, come up. Nicholas is irresponsive. All right. So who else? Who is anybody here willing to come up? Simon Amos, can you show us what you've done so far? Did you do the last assignment? Okay, is the Adobe? Yeah. Is the Adobe? Go ahead. Before I go into demonstrating.
Why can't you just forget about me?
I have my reasons.
Okay.
I'll not forget about you. I have people I will not forget about too. Number one person I will not forget about is Adobe. Number two, Williams. I will always ask you people. Number three, Queen Ikuji. Number three. Number four. Where is number four? Let me see if number four is here.
Hi.
Yes, hello.
So this is my own workflow. I built this Telegram trigger using the bot's father.
Imagine just somebody asking his client using their is it bot father.
Just like you showed us the last time. And then from there I integrated my AI agent with the tools. Basically, I did the last assignment that says we should create an AI agent that reads our email, reply messages, then create events, right? And this is all I did.
Okay. All right. I want to say something.
Okay.
Starting from today, I need everybody to come up with a project topic. Right? Between now and the next class, come up with a project topic. That project topic will serve as your capstone project. Okay, that means something you want to build, something that is elaborate, not just not just like Igbo people will say shinga ruanga, not just from here to here. Something that will be elaborate, but has elaborate, solid, solving a real problem, a real workflow, not just, even if you want to do media, if you want to do media, fine. That means if you want to do video generation, fine. If you want to do anything you want to do, but let it be a real workflow on automation that does something real. Do you understand? So I need you people. Then I want to chip this in. If you don't have, I'm actually having issue with cards. That's why I remember this now. If you have a card that you can use to log into Google, you can put your card on Google. Google will give you $300, right? IG, it's $300, right? Google will give you $300 worth of credit, AI credits that you can use to at least build your workflow, generate image, generate video, all right? Use it on Gemini. They will give you $300 worth of credits. So you can log in, can put in your card on Google, that particular Google account, right? Then use it to do a real workflow. See, all this bit by bit I've been teaching since now. It's now time that you combine it into a full-fledged workflow. Do you understand? And it will be, choose yours according to the area. I believe by now you must have said, okay, I am going into this area, or I'm going into media, I'm going into maybe coaching, coaching automations, I'm going to lead automation, I'm going into sales, I'm going to this, I'm going to agents, in as much as we just entered agents, right? Like, sorry, not that we just entered agents. We've been on agent for a while now, but then the reason we've not moved forward is because you've not even finished the one we are doing, right? Ordinarily, I should just be like, okay, I will just go every day, I will continue every day, I will continue every day, I will continue. I'm even thinking of adding additional 2 classes after the end of this class. Week 5, day 3, I will add additional 2 classes. I'm thinking of doing that because the rate at which we are going here, trust me, it's we may not, even if I just proceed with the class and cover the class, but we may not really, I will not be pleased that people did not really get what they're supposed to. But, all right, so you need to put more effort. But starting from today, like I was saying, please get a topic, you can use your AI, all right, get your project, what you want to do as a project. Use AI to develop or do anything you want to do. But don't use AI to develop your workflow. Just use AI to build the idea. Then choose a business. You can say coaching business, all right? Choose a business type. You can choose any business to help you. You can go on Upwork. You can go on Upwork. Not go on Upwork, go on Upwork. You can use Google to search. Oh, yeah. You can go on Upwork, right? Search for AI automation, N8N AI automation, or N8N. It will give you jobs. Now, those jobs, look at them, then pick some. You can, okay, now this is how you master this. Let me tell you how you master this. Go on job platforms. Pick those jobs that they are looking for people to do. I'm not saying you should apply to those jobs, but pick those jobs. All right, pick those jobs. Start building them. The details of those jobs. Someone will say, I need someone to build this, do this, do this, do this. Write that detail down. Build it. Go to LinkedIn. Look at learners on LinkedIn. You see them posting consistently, constantly. At least every 2 days they are posting on LinkedIn. People that haven't even covered up to what you have covered. You see them building simple agents, simple drag and drop workflow. They'll tell you, I built this because of social business, social business. That is how they keep track of their progress and people start following them. All right. There are platforms I would like you people to apply to after this class. I will give you people the platform, but it is now left for you to pass. Okay. Like I told you guys, the code note, I told you that I entered the interview on and that I used to repeat that code note class. I got an email yesterday that I made it. So it is a congratulations to me too. And why did I make it? It was because of that code note. They told me that the person that interviewed me, like I said, the person that interviewed me told me that thank you for the congratulations. They said that out of everybody that they have seen their workflow so far, I was the only person that cleaned data, converted it from 20, like all these $sign and maybe 10K, 20K, and I converted it to number. And I was the only person that took it from webhook and sent it back to webhook and it functioned. That others stopped at emails. Because of that, like I said, because of that, there was no need telling me to defend my work again. She said it. When she opened it, she said, oh, wow, I saw that you use regex. The little man before that interview, before I even heard that interview, I already told you people about regex. I told people this premium knowledge that other people might not even find somewhere. Like I'm giving people premium knowledge. So what made me stand out here? Because of that particular thing. Even when she was saying, I was just smiling. I was just like, man, I know what I do there. You understand? So things like that. There was a place, I wouldn't say I did not make a mistake, there was a place I made an error. But then, guess what? Guess the assessment. The assessment was that I will have to on my video, use Loom on my video, share my screen. No AI tab will be on. No AI tab will be on. No other tab will be on. Only the document for the assignment. So only the document for the assessment and that Loom, my N8N, only these three tabs can be on, can be opened on my browser. And I'm sharing my entire screen. How long do I have to build this? I had 45 minutes to build it, but I built it in 57 minutes. I did all those things from end to end, 57 minutes. At the end, I said, and guess what? As you're building, you are explaining what you're doing. You're building, you are explaining what you're doing. That is how some of the assessments, some of the interviews you have, that is how they will be. The meeting I had with someone on Wednesday last week that I told the people that I have, yeah, was it on Wednesday? On Saturday, sorry, on Saturday. I told the people I had something on, no, it was on Wednesday, sorry. Sunday, I told people I had a meeting with somebody on Sunday, right? What got the person locked to me? The person came, he's a Nigerian, but he's not in the country. He came, he started nonchalantly. You know when someone is starting nonchalant, that they've done things with AI. Now the person writes me for Telegram. I was on my own. The person wrote me on Telegram. He started that they've done things with AI, it failed. So I should tell him, I should show him what I can do. I opened my workflows. That's okay. I asked him, what do you want to do? He told me, he asked me that okay, I should tell him the things I can use AI automation to do. He told me his business, what they're trying to do. Yeah, the tax picture I screenshot. He explained everything to me, how they are trying to move from just being client based to B2B based and all those. So I now told him, okay, what can you do? Is it to run the process end to end? I can build automations like that. And he said, Okay, I just showed him a lead system that, okay, you can actually use this. That you can trickle down this, or you can replicate this system for your client intake. Then I opened my assignment. Sorry, not my assignment. I opened this in my class intake form, showed him. Then he was not, as I was scrolling to get another, he said, hold on, hold on, hold on. Open this one, open this one. I opened. He looked at it. He said, let me close this one. Let me see the other one there. I opened. It was not like, wow, I'm very impressed that we are going to work together a lot. That he has a project. That can I do the one that can also apply for jobs? I said, yes. I showed him job application systems. Two of them, the one from email and the one of form system. Explained it to him. He said, okay. Then the meeting now cut off. He told me on LinkedIn I should drop my note. I have been on my own yesterday now. He sent me another message that we urgently need to I should tell him when I'm free. I'll respond to him when I'm free. But now, why did he find me? Why did you find me? Because I was visible. Why are you not being visible? You must build something. You must stand out. And there is something I will tell you for a fact. See my workflows. You cannot trace my workflow to any YouTube video. You cannot, because I build them from my head. You cannot trace, I'm telling you for a fact, you cannot trace my workflow. Maybe they can look the same, but you cannot trace any. Go to LinkedIn, check my workflows. You cannot trace any of them to link to YouTube videos. You cannot. That is where I pride by myself. So anything I build and I post is something I am building by myself. And most of them, I have stopped building things. You know why? Because when I go on TikTok Live, someone will always tell me, build something like this, and I will build it. And I will now use it to post. So you cannot trace it anywhere because it's not, I did not watch videos to start building them. So the question is, I'm saying this because I need to motivate you. Why? What are you waiting for? Start building systems. If you need to use YouTube videos to watch, fine. Let me tell you the person I use. If I show you that person now, I will tell you the person. But if I tell you, you will go there and you still get confused. N8N on YouTube. I use most of his teaching. Then there is also somebody on Udemy. I bought the course then. I bought the course. Then I use part of it. Someone shared free one. I checked it. All those ones were not giving me what I want. I went back to N8N. Okay. If you want to, Nate, N-A-T-E-H-E-R-K. N-A-T-E-H-E-R-K. N8N on YouTube. That was the person I used. But trust me, if you go to N8N YouTube account, you will also get, as in, sometimes N8N builds will get you more confused. Trust me. Go and try it and come back. Sometimes his own workflows will get you more confused. I'm telling you for a fact. Exactly, they have zero joy. I didn't want it easy. I didn't want it the easy way. That was why I saw Nick Serev. I saw a lot of other ones that were doing easy things. I said no. I chose N8N because of his robust workflows. And sometimes you'll be building and there's another thing you have to note. See those white guys. Some things they build and it works. You build them, it will not work. I think because of location. You build them, it will not work. Right? Especially their scrapings with HTTP node. You want to scrape Google with HTTP node, it will not work. I think it's because of the location actually, not because you cannot do it. So when you hit issues like that, just know that it did not work because this is your location. So you find a way around it. And there's something Nate, I did not say net. Nate, N-A-T-E. I don't say acquire when people they are N-E-T, they are bed, my bed. So I say Nate, not net. Nate. Just like me too, I be Igbo man, my Q, na Kyo. Kyo PR. You understand? And my Aquaba people now work. Okay. So, like I was saying, right? When you're building with their videos, what do? Be dynamic. You must not build exactly what they build. I did that in my early days, my starting days. I'll just build exactly what they built. But then I now know that no, it can't work that way. I can't use it to go far. Right? I will now build with them, get to a point, build my own thing and start going. That's how I used to learn. I'll build with them their video, keep building. If they put this, I put. If they put, I'll pause, put this, pause, do it. Then I get to a point, I'll continue building on my own. Now build any other thing I want. That is how you learn. Right? So if you go to NetHex YouTube channel, don't come back crying to me that you're more confused because your head will full. But I'm telling you, just use things like that to challenge yourself. Use things like that to challenge yourself. Trust me. All right. Okay. Then, who gave me the idea of code node to clean data? Who gave me that idea of code node to clean data? Grok. I was stuck. I needed how to do that. I built. After I finished building, before I recorded the video, I was building it first. I built. I took it to Grok and told Grok, brutally analyze this. You know how Grok can be. Grok is not ChatGPT. Grok sounds like the wicked side of Elon Musk. Grok gave me a very demeaning analysis of my workflow. You know, when you feel ashamed of yourself, say AI talk to you. You feel ashamed. I felt God, that day I felt ashamed of myself after Grok blast me finish. Always use that word brutally and copy your workflow, take it to Grok. I'm not saying ChatGPT. Take it to Grok to score you. I did the first one I did. Grok scored me, I think, 55 that I should correct. I did not do the correction Grok said I should correct. I did it in my own way. Grok scored me a little bit higher again. I did another one, blasted me again, scored me low. Then I now finally took that code cleaning. It said that figure and that's data cleaning. And I finally took it. Now told it to develop, give me the code for it. They now gave it to me. I took it there. And I told them, brutally analyze this. Grok scored me 95. ChatGPT scored me 96 or 98 over 100. And told me, AI told me that I will be in front of other candidates with this workflow. That's now where I now started rest. I started building it afresh while recording. So these are things to help you. These are the things to help you. Ask questions. I'm even the one begging people to ask questions. So the point of this long sermon is, yes, there's no real workflow today. I'll just go through how to your AI agent. I'll go through it again, but please, from today, between now and Saturday, I will also post it as an announcement. Choose your project topic. I'll give certificate of completion. Okay, I'll give certificate of completion. That's okay, but then that certificate of completion will be strictly people who pass their project. Yes, it is just you actually do not need certificates, quite all right, to go and work or to go and look for whatever. You need your portfolio. But if somebody asks you now, what is your portfolio after learning AI automation for 3 good weeks? What is your portfolio? Me, as at first week, second week, the first week, second week, I've started having things I can post. But I was just compiling them because I wanted to post continuously every day. Check my link. No, not my main LinkedIn account got blocked. Just like that, they blocked it. Okay. So see, yes, I will do it. I'll do it. I will do it. All right, I'll do it. What's that, self? Adding knowledge base to AI agents.
Sorry to say, but why won't they block your main LinkedIn account? When you go people post, you actually tell them the truth. They will best for you now.
Did you see somebody I corrected on LinkedIn? I told him nice workflow, but I don't know how to hide things. Though. I will tell you you did well, but this is this. And guess what he did? He put his if you're building an agent to deploy, don't fire the email from the agent. So I corrected him on that to tell them that all these things that they are posting, it cannot work. It will break once you deploy and it has load. It will break. I will show you the best practice to put if you're doing an AI agent to deploy, don't put your email under your AI agent to send me token. If you say it's a lie, give it to people. Maybe 30 persons chat it at once. You say that the email will fail. It will not send email to those 30 people. Trust me. I've tried it. Okay. I'll show you where to put your email note when you're building AI agent for production. Here, I've told you people all my secret. Too. This particular video now, I'm not posting it on YouTube. Yes, William, go ahead. Before I share my screen, go ahead.
The boss, please.
Yes.
Maybe I did not get you right. So you mean if you want to send an email, that is to bring an email node, it should not be under an AI node.
If what I said is this, if you are deploying your AI agent to production for people to use and there will be load on it, don't put it under the agent tool. Run it standalone. Like I said, I will show you how to do that. Run it standalone. That is my own observation and recommendation. And if anybody is telling me today, build AI agent for me, see, for the fun of it, for the flashiness, and mind you, a lot of the things you're seeing out there are just for it to be flashy and for you to be attracted. Okay, some of those things out there are not how they will be during production. They are not how they will be. I'm telling you this for a fact and for free. Well, you paid for the class, but they are not how they will be. So let me share my screen. If you have any other question, any questions before I go to share my screen? Any questions? Okay. Let me share my screen and take you to Kuvuki land. To some people, this is Kuvuki land because they still see it as rocket science. Queen, are you still seeing it as rocket science? Okay. Let me start with this. You can see this system here. This is a lead generation system. All right. Okay, I built this this was on TikTok Live, right? So this is a lead generation system. What does it do? It scrapes for lead. Now, this is on Saturday, we'll do something like this. All right. This is the form. This is Google SAP API. This is SAP. I'll tell people to create the account. It will go here just like Apify. So I will do one with Apify, and on Saturday we'll practice this with both with SAP API and with Apify. Right. Now, what this does is that it would go use your form, the details you feed on your form, go to Google, search for Google, search on Google, then use the code node to clean the data and output as one after the other. All right, you can see here. Now look at the data that came in. Now, what does the code node do? Code node will extract the business name, extract the website, extract the email address, extract the phone number, extract the business location and business address. Do you understand? Look at the business names. That's what the code node will do for me. So I didn't have to use information extractor to do this. I had to use the code node to do it, right? Good. Then here, loops them and takes them. It will write automatic message. So it's a system that you just pull data, you pull your leads, and it writes automatic messages to them. All right? Good. If you need a challenge, I will tell you to build something like this and bring on Saturday. Those who like challenge, build something like this and bring on Saturday. All right. Then for what let me check this. Okay, this is a file upload. Now I've not even done file upload. For what this person asked, let me check your message again. Adding knowledge base. Okay. Yes, it's Adobe. Go ahead.
This can you show the workflow you just? I want to see something. The one you use the search and the code node. Now, what was the prompt you used for the code node?
You mean the prompt I gave to the AI?
Yeah, yes.
To generate the code.
Yeah.
I just told AI to generate JavaScript code for the code node in N8N. Okay. Two. You know how I do my own not then I now go and say number 1, extract email address, number 2, extract phone number, number 3, extract business, number 4, all those things you want it to extract.
Okay.
Anything you want it to do, you list it there. If you want it to clean data, if you want it, all right, then you always tell it to output ready to copy. Output ready to copy.
Okay.
What is it?
All right.
So yeah, that is it. Then you come and test. So remember I told you that for the fact he failed, for someone like N8N Vivian, is Vivian here? But for someone that N8N Vivian, for the fact that it should fail does not mean that it is over. Where is Vivian N8N? Okay, she's here. But the fact that this code node does not produce or it failed does not mean that what you're doing has come, you should give up. If it doesn't produce what you wanted, still copy it. Copy the entire thing, like I said, and like I always say, copy it, go to your AI, paste it again. Copy that error message, paste it. If it did not, sometimes your code node will not produce, it will not output data. Copy it, go to your AI, tell your AI that it didn't output data. Your AI will read it and correct itself. Don't just go to AI and tell it, generate this for me. No, it will not. It will give you barbaric results. You know what I mean by barbaric results? Results that will not work. Because it does not understand what you're saying. But by the time you copy that part of your workflow and copy it and give it, that is when it will understand what you're trying to do. It will understand the kind of data that is coming in. It will understand everything without you doing guesswork. It will not do guesswork anymore. So you must, I'm not saying negotiable, you must always copy your workflow and take to your AI. Now, if I copy this entire workflow here and take to AI to enhance and correct some things, especially Grok. Grok will correct me. Grok will tell me what to do next and what. Grok always has something to say. Do you understand? So those are the things you can do. These are the things you can. It must not be perfect, but for production readiness. Okay. So now let me go and add some. Let me show you some for something like knowledge base. There are different ways to add knowledge base on your AI. Now take notes. Take note. What we are using so far is this AI agent. That is what we are using so far. This AI agent. Okay. This AI agent you can use it to build a whole lot of things. Your lead system to write email for you, to analyze things for you, to rewrite things for you, to even inspect what it has written and all that. You can use it to do a whole lot of things. Remember what I used to say. Let me delete this. And this is here. This guy here is who it is whoever you tell it to be. God said, I am that I am. But this guy is whoever you tell it to be. If you tell it to be an email expert to write emails for so, that is who it will be. If you tell it to be a personal assistant to so, that is who it will be. All right. So anything you tell it to do is what it will do. Okay. Good. So now let me add my AI chat model here. Let me add AI chat model. Let me add memory. If you are not changing inputs, please listen. If you're not changing inputs, you don't need to change where this memory is coming from. You don't need to change here. If you're not changing the input, all right? I'm going to use this opportunity to show two things. Now, to add a knowledge base, there are three basic ways to add a knowledge base. Okay. In fact, not more than three basic ways, but I'll categorize them into three. Number one is adding knowledge base as a RAG system, vectorized, adding knowledge base or vectorizing your knowledge base. You see what Wanda posted some days ago? Was it yesterday? And I told her that you are now vectorizing. That is very nice. Honestly, that's very impressive. So she built a RAG system. She built a RAG system, right? So you can go for the preparation of the next class, because I'm going to build two systems in next class. For the preparation of the next class, you can go and start watching videos on RAG, R-A-G, Retriever Augmented Generation. Retriever Augmented Generation. Start watching videos on it. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG system. Okay, and start watching videos on it before that Saturday. All right, but on Friday we are going to have our brush up. On Friday. So to add knowledge, you can make it to be RAG. Number one. You can make it to be a tool attached. Number two. You can make it to be a tool attached. Number two. You can make it to be inside the prompt. But mind you, one, when it is a tool attached, it is more expensive. When it is prompt, it is also more expensive. But when it is RAG, it is less expensive. For instance, let me use this document. For instance, let me use a doc. Let me attach a tool here. You can attach Airtable Airtable, you can attach documents, you can attach spreadsheets, you can attach anything, but let me use doc. And the resource operation I'm going to use is, now the operation I'm going to use is, look at the operation here. Operation I'm going to use is get, right? Then let me go to any of the documents. Where is the done? I once did a dummy CV. Where's the dummy CV? I teach. Okay. Okay. Let me check this. Okay, let me use this. Let me use this for instance. No, like this one is too much. Let me use this. These are, I was building automation that would generate student thesis. Trust me, even me, I've been stuck in one place because of AI limitations. I've been stuck. It was able to generate chapter 1. It wrote chapter 1, but it couldn't proceed. Look at chapter 1. He wrote chapter 1 again. Okay, now started doing explanations. So now this is the issues AI could have. So I cannot just say that, oh, this AI is now perfect. No, because this is not a demo. This is now a real project. But it tried to generate chapter 1 completely. All right. But then the issue I was having is to loop it and also have it call the right tool to generate other things. I know I'm digressing a little bit, but I just need to show you this. All these are, even me, I can get stuck. Not that I have built the workflow, but the result it is producing is not stable yet. Do you understand? So here I'm going to say share. I'll say share and I'll copy the link. Right? Now I'm going to use get, but you mustn't do share. You can just use this to now. Okay, now this is that document, right? This is that document. This is that document. I've added it here. I've pasted the link of that document here. Okay. Now that document now forms my knowledge base. Let me ask it here and say, what is the document all about? I haven't even prompted it, right? All about. It has gone to pull data, right? Or will it pull it correctly? Yeah, you can see the document is an academic thesis exploring youth participation in politics and governance. It discusses the importance of engaging young people, right? It's told me what the document is all about and summarize it, right? Now, this forms the knowledge base. You can give it an introduction. Now, you can come here to this tools description, you can come here to set manually. I say, and I'll now say, use this tool as knowledge base. To get all information. If it's FAQs and all that, you can write, okay? Now, it will always come to this tool. Then inside the prompting, I will prompt it to not hallucinate, not manufacture words, but you must strictly use the knowledge base. Now, let me show you why I say it is more expensive, right? Look at the token here. It consumed token of 2,140. If this document is a very big document, of which let me show you. Let me use another one, a bigger document to also show you token consumption. Okay, yeah, this is more like it. So let me share it and copy the link. So I will now go there again. Look at to here. Mind you, the operation I am using is get. Get. You can use spreadsheet for it. You can use Airtable for it. You can use anyone. It's okay. It has gotten all the data, right? You can see this one is much higher than the other one. Okay. Then if I now come here and see, what is the document all about? What is document all about? No, it still use the former document. All right, let me reload. There's no prompt, so it used the former information it pulled up already to answer. Please, if anybody wants to buy Starlink, I am here for you. All right, so I would say, what is the document all about? Okay, now let it pull the information. Let's see the token consumption it will take in this one. Can you see what is token consumption for this? 20,000 tokens. 20,036 tokens. All right, so which means this running this system with this style is going to be more expensive. So what do I have to do? I will now have to chunk it, vectorize it, using that rack system to make it cheaper. This is one way. Attaching tools is one way. Another way is this. I will attach another tool here and call it AI agent tool. That is a sub agent. All right. I'll attach a sub agent, then attach this tool to the sub agent. For this AI agent sub agent I'm putting, I am also giving it an agent words. I'm also giving it an agent AI model rather. Then I can rename this knowledge base. Okay, I'll rename it knowledge base. Then I will come here and use this description, right? I'll use this description and change it to strictly use this tool for all information. And I'll map this to agent. Okay. Then let me reload and see if I've not prompted the big agents, right? Now, this system, I always advise if you want to build a system, a sub agent. Now, this is an agentic AI, right? You want to build, that's because it has more than one agent. If you want to build a system like this, please do not overload here. Don't mind what you're seeing on YouTube. You can just make it to be 3 max. I advise to make it 3 maximum. Okay, then I'll now ask, what is the document talking about? Let's see if it is going to pull here. Would you please upload or share the document? You did not use this guy, right? Now, I will now come into the prompt here and say, use the knowledge base sub agent to get information from the document. strictly, right? I'll use strictly. Let's see if it's going to work. I'll say you are a personal assistant. All right. I'll come here and say, I'll give it a markdown and say instruction. All right. Let me execute, and I've executed. It has gone here to process now. You get it? Good. Let me add my favorite guy here, which is the pink 2. Okay, it still consumed 20,000, right? Now, let me now ask it, what is the, or let me reload first. I pray I don't use this class to finish my token. Imagine running 20,000 tokens per query. Agree, you're going to give me this token. What is the document talking about?
So I'm here. This
Now
is more talk.
you can see it has started processing this. It has put the data from the document. The document has given it back. The document has given it back. Then it will now push it back to this guy. You can see it's rolling. That pushed it back to this guy, right? And it has given me answer. Because the prompt, you have to now use the prompts to control this. If your prompting is wrong, it will not control this guy. If this prompting here is wrong, it will not control this guy here. Right? So now, but let us check something. Let's check something. Okay. Knowledge base. Okay, good. Now here, look at here to tell you how, to show you how it works. Look at here. I asked the main agent, what is the document all about, talking about? The main agent came to the sub-agent and asked it general summary of the document. This big guy came to ask this one general summary of the document. Then the small one now called the document to here. You can see, right? It called this document to and pulled up the data. All right. Look at it here. It called it. The open router is one specifying the human general document, right? Now simplified it. Okay. Now the AI agent itself, what did the AI agent do? The AI agent now gave us this output. For them, how many tokens did it now take? 21,000 tokens. All right. 21,000 tokens. That was what it took to think properly before execution. Okay, so let me use this. Okay, now let me try this again and say, let me reload and try again. See if it's going to use the thing tool. Okay, now let me tell it to under instruction to use strictly use the think to think properly, to think properly before execution. To think properly before execution. Like here, I'll put this. For execution. So let me reload. All right, good. Let me check down my prompt. Okay, good. Then let me come here and say, ask it, what is the document all about? What is it going to use? It's not using this thing tool because it is straightforward. It only uses the thing tool when it has complex. If it's finding it difficult, it will use the thing tool. I see it did not use thing tool. Good. All right. It outputted. Good. Now this is one way, but this is the second way. The third, but the first way. The third, but it is the first way. Like I think I've said it before, is to include it in the prompt. At the bottom of this prompt, you can come to the bottom, especially if it is not something very bulky. You can come at the bottom of this prompt, down, and say knowledge base. But before you give it knowledge base, you should always come to instruction and tell it strictly use the knowledge base for all information. Do not hallucinate. Do not hallucinate. Assume or manufacture any information not contained in the knowledge base. Then you come here, whether you're putting knowledge base here or you're putting knowledge base anywhere, always give it that instruction on not assuming and hallucinating that you should use the knowledge base. Do you understand? So these are the things. Now, the question you should be asking now is, why is it more expensive to run this knowledge base? The reason it is more expensive, I think Airtable should be cheaper than this. Then the cheapest is vectorizing. That's the cheapest. Now the question now should be, why is it expensive to run this knowledge base using this attachment, using this Google tool, or putting it inside the prompt? This is the reason it is expensive. Let me explain to you why it is more expensive. The reason it's expensive is because here, this is how many pages document? 67-page document, right? If you ask it anything here on this document, it will start reading from top. The AI will start reading from top like this and be going down. Start reading and be going down. So keep reading, be going down, keep reading. If what you asked is here, it will pick it from here. If that thing you asked is here, it will pick it from here. Okay? But if what you asked is at the bottom, or you're telling it to summarize, if what you asked is at the bottom, it will still read from top to the bottom to go and pick that document, that word. And mind you, the more it is reading through this document, the more token it is consuming. You will not see it reading, but that is actually what it is doing. Now, that is why it is. Okay, now, that is why it is more expensive. Now, let me do this and show you. I'll say, what is the title of the document? Let us see. What is the title of the document? What is the title of the document? Let's see how many tokens it's going to eat. You can see again, even if the title of the document is just at the top, even as the title of the document is just at the top, it still took 21,000 tokens, but it has to read through the document, everything about the document, A to Z. All right? It does not reserve. It has to read from A to Z to produce that answer. Let me show you here. Let me show you. You can see it read the content. This is the output here. And this is the last work he just did. It read the content from A to Z. But if it is a vectorized table, it will only go to that particular line you asked it to produce that result. Okay? It will only go to that particular line to pick that answer without reading the entire document. It's just to the pick the answer and proceed with life. That is the difference. Now, if you give it as a prompt here, imagine you're loading these 67 pages inside here. If you also give it as a prompt here, it will still read from the top to the bottom. Sometimes, when it's given as a prompt, it doesn't really go to the top to the bottom. I've observed that depending on what you're asking it to produce from, if you're giving it as a prompt, it reads from the top to where that result is. That is what I've observed here. Adding it as a prompt here. It will start reading from the top to where that thing is, to stop there. But as an attachment, even if it's the Excel, even if it's either a spreadsheet or Word, it will read from top to bottom. But on Airtable, I think it's not that way on Airtable. But then, depending on how you set your Airtable, right? And again, your knowledge base on Airtable might just be about product item pricing, just like spreadsheet, product item pricing and all those, not really bulky documents. Okay. So it will be line by line, line by line, line by line. All right. So that is the thing. Now, question now is this. What if you want to, now I have technically built a multi-agent system and you're going to take this as an assignment. You take it as an assignment. You take it as what? I want to hear everybody as what? I know some of you might start sleeping already. You take it as what? Are they sleeping? You will take it as what?
An assignment.
As assignments. This person where they give me thumbs up. There's no thumbs up today. Say it, unmute your mic. You will take it as what?
As assignment, boss. As assignment.
It's only one person's voice I'm hearing, and one person that's laughing at the right. I don't know why. Whenever I say to say something, I don't will be laughing. Please, you take it as what? As an assignment.
As an assignment.
Assignment.
As an assignment.
Okay. No wahala. Is Stewart still here? Okay, I think Stewart is there. Kenny, are you here? Okay. Now let me do this again. Let me do this. Now you've technically built a knowledge base. Now your assignment
Boss, no verse. Boss, I beg you.
Yes,
I notice.
Go ahead.
Boss. No verse. I noticed you called me that time, but the reason why I did not respond was because I was on my way again. I was home. So the recording is going on, sir.
Are you people hearing him?
Can you hear me, please? Who can hear me? Who can hear me?
It's breaking. His voice is breaking.
You are breaking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
You're breaking, though.
Is this still breaking?
Do you have a tree? Do you have a tree in your backyard? Do you have a tree? I think you should climb the tree.
Oh my goodness, it's too late, Grand Prix. I said the time you mentioned me, I really wanted to, but I was on the road. I joined with my phone, and I'm still with my phone.
Okay.
So that's why. I hope the recording is still ongoing.
Yes. It's still recording.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You have a backlog of assignments, so one day I will remember you and I will be on your matter. You have a backlog of assignments.
Very well.
All right. No. Okay, so there's something I want to add here. Please, I want to plead everybody. This what I'm about to do now is not something that can be easily explained using chats. Okay, please use this video whenever you're confused in this aspect. All right, use this video whenever you're confused. Refer to this video. Slide the video to the end or to the point that you want. Watch from there. Okay. And what I'm about to do here is how to add multi-channel input and multi-channel output. Now, this output here is only one channel in, but I want it to be another channel out. Do you understand? It's only one channel in, but I want it to be another channel. Sorry, I want it to be like two. Maybe I have here and I have another one. So what am I going to do? I will disconnect this and add this edit field here. You know, edit field is my guy. I'll add this edit field. Then I'll put this session ID, chat input, and maybe I can just write it channel to be chat input. Okay. Then I will add merge, the merge node. I'll add the merge node. I repeat, I will leave it on append. Okay. I'll leave it on append, then I will connect it to the AI agent. This is how it will be, right? Because I have added this, sorry, not that yet. Let me go to my Telegram. Let me go to my Telegram and let me see if I can use this particular Telegram here. Okay, let me see if I can use this particular Telegram bot. Let me see if I can use this. Okay, let me copy a token. Let me copy the token and I go here. I add Telegram. This is how to add Telegram. You add your Telegram, you search for Telegram. On Telegram, you go to the triggers. Look at the trigger is at the bottom. What do you want to do with Telegram? Do you want to pick picture? Do you want to, is it on message or anything? All right. I will take on message because whenever message drops, that is when I want the thing to come in, right? Instead of me going to add this ones afresh, instead of going to add this one afresh, I'll just duplicate it. And I'll put it here and I'll connect this here. All right, so don't get confused. I just duplicated, but there's something I need to change. I will now change this channel to be Telegram. All right, the reason I'm changing the channel to be Telegram and I want every other thing to be the same is because when they come to merge, they can be able to pass as one, and I can use them to map my memory and agents. Okay, if you make them to be different, mapping your, if you make, now see, let me show you. This session ID on chat input is called session ID, but on Telegram it is not called session ID, it is called message ID. But now you have to use your set node, you have to use this your edit field to give them the same name. You already know by now that anything you give here, anything you name it here, is what the name is going to be. So if I execute this, it is session ID. Look at it. It is session ID, right? If I execute this to be William Etuk ID, it will change to William Etuk ID. Have you seen? If I change it again to be, who else I go use? Nico, it will change to what? Nico. If I change it again to be Sarobuaye, it will change to be, well, let me put the A, it change to be what? I'm using all this terminology so that you will remember, to be easier for you to remember. So I will still come here and name it my session. Now I am changing this, okay? I must make sure both of what is here and what is on the other place, they are the same. Session ID. Okay, I must make sure that they are the same spelling, so that both of them, let me copy, since I changed it, let me copy and go there and paste it. All right, session ID. This one is not going to execute because there is nothing there. All right, so what I'm going to do is the Telegram trigger here. Oh, sorry, let me stop it so that I can choose a Telegram trigger. Telegram trigger, okay, that is the last account I can for, right? So let me execute that of a Telegram trigger, and where is my Telegram? Okay, good. Let me send hi. I pray it goes because sometimes it does. Okay, now it has gone. Can you see? From Telegram, it went. Why did you go from Telegram? But it's showing an error, which means it is not stable yet. But let me open the chat and execute from chat. Say hi. It has gone, right? But let me execute Telegram again and know if it was smoking when it went. Let me see if it's trying. Okay, it forced its way through. Okay, it forced its way through. All right. But then there is something I need to do here, whether it has forced its way through or not. Look at here, second ID is showing undefined. I need to map, all right? I need to map it. I need to map it, and that is going to be 314. Jeez. I'm not going to use, so should I use, okay, no, I'm going to use the chat ID. Okay, so I'm going to use this here and this. I'm going to use the chat ID, okay, to map it so that they will be the same. Okay, then I will use chat input. My chat input will now be the chat, the text. Okay, let me pin this Telegram so that it will not be expecting another one. So when I execute, no matter the name they are coming with, look at it, it has done what? Telegram. Now, if I execute this, take this here and take this here. Okay, good. Look at session ID, it's giving me something, right? But then let me use this and say hi. Session ID, blah 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 blah. Okay, so which means what is wrong? What is wrong? I will take this to define below, and I will map the chat inputs manually. Okay, then I will come to the memory and I will say define below. Then I will now map the session ID manually. Let me change the context. I've already shown you how to do context length. I'll now map it manually, right? Then if I go here, let me send it message again and say hi. You can see it has produced results. Okay, but there is something here. Let me add Telegram here so that it will output from Telegram. Let me add Telegram. Let me add Telegram. And Telegram, since I want it to output, like I want it like whenever I send a message from Telegram, it should respond to me on Telegram. Okay. Now I'm going to use Telegram, send a text message. Look at message actions. I will use send a text message. I will take send a text message. All right. Then I will map Telegram. Okay. Chat ID. I will take the chat ID to here. And the text. Let me use text from here. Sorry, the text is not here. The text is the one from the agent. I will use the text from the agent and put. Okay. And I unpin. And when I unpin, I will now come here to execute the workflow and send Telegram. Is it going to respond to me? Or is it not going to respond to me? It has responded to me, right? Hello, how are you? How can I assist you today? Telegram is working fine now. But because I added Telegram here, something else is going to break. And what is that thing that will break? Let me show you. If I send her using the chat input, it would break. Error node, Telegram trigger hasn't been executed. Do you understand? It is now trying to force output through Telegram. So how do I make it not to force output through Telegram? Since it's now having double inputs, two inputs, but it has one output. How do I do that? I will come here. I will come here, disconnect this Telegram. When I disconnect the Telegram, I will come here and add switch or if. You can add if or switch, anyone. Okay. Then when we come to the merge here, okay, sorry, I'll come to edit field here and say if channel is equal to chat inputs, output through that one, and I rename it to. You see those things you did with those manual workflows, you are still using them here. That was why I took you step by step through the manual workflows. You can see the switch you used in manual workflow that I told you have to use this to qualify, do this. You're still using that same ideology in this. You can see it is all the same thing, not rocket science. Right? Then I will rename the output to be chat inputs. Okay. Then I will now go again. I will execute Telegram. Let me execute Telegram. Let me execute Telegram and say hi. Let me pin the data. Okay. You can see that it has failed here. Good. Let me pin the data. I will now say if channel, where is it? I did not add another routing rule. And I say if channel, mind you must take the exact spelling. Now I am copying because it has to be the exact spelling. Is equal to Telegram, output through Telegram. Now let me rename it to Telegram. I've renamed it to Telegram, right? Then if I come here and I send message, hi, is it going to still break or is it going to proceed? An expression reference node, but the node is expecting considering wiring your node. Okay. Now let me now check what the problem is. An expression references this node, but the node is unexecuted. Consider rewiring your node or okay. So where is the issue? Okay. Sorry. I did it wrongly. It's supposed to be from the merge node. Actually, it's supposed to be from the merge node. Let me execute it again and see. Let me execute it again and see. Okay, it still failed. So no, the edit field hasn't been executed. So why isn't the edit field executed? Okay, so let me execute this. Okay, let me execute this. So I'm going to use here and say if channel, instead of using the edit field here, I'm going to use channel from the merge node. Now Telegram is executing fine. So this is one issue with automation sometimes. Okay, this is one issue with automation sometimes, that you would solve one thing and that issue will start. So let us see if it's going to still break. It did not break, right? You can see that it has gone well. Chat input has gone through its lane. Now, what was the error? The error was that I mapped with edit field, which is not supposed. So I'm going to send, I need to send data to them so that I can map from merge. You always map from the merge node, don't map from edit field. Now, how do you, another thing is, how do you know where you are mapping from? I made this mistake. This is something I should have explained to you from day one, right? If you look at here, merge. Look at here, merge. Please, everybody say merge. Everybody say merge.
Merge.
Okay, good.
Merge.
Merge. Thank you. Now let's go back here. Now let me go to this merge node. Let me go here. What is this showing me? JSON.session ID, right? Good. Let me go here. What is this showing me? JSON.chat input, right? Okay. Now, how do you know the node you are currently mapping from? How do you know the node that your data is sent from? You just look into here. Open it, look into here. Okay. If I map this, let me delete it. Where is the data? Where is the data flowing? Okay. If I map this, please mute your mic. If I map this from here, you see that it has changed to what? Edit fields. Because I am mapping from edit fields. It has changed to edit fields. If I map this again from here, let me say from here, you see that it has changed to Telegram trigger. So you will simply use this to know where your data is currently flowing from. It is not rocket science. It is very simple. Yotago, have you all watergoed? So with this, let me connect Telegram trigger. With this, let me execute. Telegram will flow and chat will flow. Okay, everybody will now have their land peacefully. So let me ask Telegram, hi, and let us see if it's going to give you. You can see Telegram is working fine now. It has gone to Telegram. And again, chats. Will it work fine? Let us try. Chat is now. Okay, chat is now working fine. So apparently you now have double input, double output. Okay. Let me execute and wait for Telegram chat and ask Telegram, what is document all about? What is the document all about? So let me check if it's still processing. Yes, it is still processing. Okay, it is still processing, so it's going to, after processing, to give reports. Right now, you can see that it has used the think tool. Now it has used the think tool, which means it found it. It found it sort of complicated. Now you can see it has responded. The document is academic research. This is titled. This is the key point. Historical. Blah 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 blah. Then, but there's something showing here. How do we remove this message? This message was sent automatically with N8N. How do you remove the message? It's still the same way you remove that of email and others. Okay? The same way you remove all those ones. You click here, say add option. Here we say add field, rather, add field. Append N8N attribution, then you turn it off. Okay? Then let me check something and see how many tokens did it chop? How many tokens did it eat to produce these results? I'm trying to look at the log. Now, look at how it's called. Okay? Look at how it called. Man, it called AI calling knowledge base. Called the knowledge base, and now look at the memory, right? Now let me check the AI itself, the AI agent itself. What the AI agent did, it called the knowledge base, called open router. Open router started at 400 tokens, right? Went here, 488 tokens plus 400, that's 888. Which other tokens again? 66, 19,000. It took 19,000 tokens to just pull the document up. In as much as he still used the think tool. Then think tool, what did he tell the think tool? Now, this is where the think tool comes to function. What did he tell the think tool? He told the think tool, this is my message. What is the document all about? Then the AI agent told the think tool that the user is asking about the overall content or subject of the document. I should check the knowledge base for an overview or summary of the document to provide an accurate response. That is what the AI agent. Now this is AI talking to AI. AI agent just told the think tool what it wants to do, right? Then the AI agent now responded. The user is asking about the overall. I should check blah 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 blah. The AI agent now responded with that, guided it properly, that he gave it back, okay, making it to think very well, right? That is how it works, okay? I can see from this very simple workflow here now I always call it very simple. And this very simple workflow will have two inputs. We can add different outputs as well. You can add different outputs, okay? So before now, you can add chat outputs, but then I noticed that with this their recent update, if you add chat output, it will make it a human in the loop. It will keep rolling until you type something else, which is not good. Before now, once you have an output like this and you don't add respond to chat, it will not work. But now it works fine. Before this is their upgrade. Okay, so that is it for now. We'll be taking any questions. I'll be taking questions before a shot for the day. Okay, Isaac Kobina, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you very much. The bot that you had in the Telegram, a little how you created it before you linked it to your.
Okay, I did not create it today. It's already existing. I created it in the last class.
In the previous class, okay. I didn't join the previous class. Okay.
Yeah, the video is there. The video is there for you.
I'll check. Thank you.
All right. Nico. Nico, I thought you had a question. Please, any other person? Any other question? Another question? Adobe, do you have question?
Sorry, sir. Would you please help me to transfer mine onto my email, please? This is Sweet Experience. Thank you, sir.
To send what?
Yeah, maybe you could help me send mine to my email, the last one and this one, please.
No, the link is there. That link that is in the group. Just open the link. You see it. No, I can't be sending links to classes to people. Yeah, I did. I think you're the only one I used to send meeting invites, especially. Imagine I'm sending when people request, I send it to their. So what I think you can do, copy the link, put it on your laptop, store it on your laptop somewhere so that whenever you want to watch it, if it is the YouTube link you want to watch, you use the link, you open the YouTube link, right? I wouldn't be sending whenever class finish. I could forget as well.
That's why maybe I should remind you personally that we should do that maybe privately, because I don't know. Maybe I'm
saying the links are there in the WhatsApp group. And I think I sent you the link too personally on WhatsApp. Those links I sent to you on WhatsApp. Just open it. You see this class. Whenever this class is ready, you see this class, the video of this class there inside that Google Drive. All those videos, you see this class there as the last video.
Thank you, sir.
They are all, I organize them every day they come in. Every day we finish class. Like today's class is week 3, day 3. So when you open the drive, you see week 3, day 3. You understand?
Thank you, sir. God bless.
You're welcome. Wanda, Norma, please, I wanted to ask, please, Wanda, please, does anybody here know about Wanda Maximoff in Marvel? Who knows about Wanda? Wanda Maximoff. In Marvel now, Marvel Cinematics, MCU now, Marvel, Avengers. Who knows?
Is it the fish called Wanda?
Eh?
There is a movie, The Fish called Wanda.
No, it's not that one. This is okay, check for Avengers, Wanda, check for Vision and Wanda, the series, Vision and Wanda. But if you watch Marvel, so nobody here they watch Marvel. This is serious. Adobe, you're supposed to watch Marvel. Don't you watch this thing? Don't you watch Avengers?
No, please.
Yeah. Tenny, don't watch
I watch
Avengers.
romantic movies.
Yeah. I cannot go to it. So you go to cinema now, you go and watch romantic movies. You don't go and watch actual like thriller movies in cinema. How do you just be in cinema and be watching people doing sheme. Oh God. Okay.
I wonder.
How you go to cinema? You're watching people doing. Hello, I just want to tell you that I missed you. Instead of you to be watching. How now? I wanted to say something. Please, Wanda, continue.
Hello, boss. Boss, can you hear me?
Wait. Wanda has a question first.
Okay.
Allow her to finish.
Now,
Wanda,
my AI agent is telling me that he's receiving a lot of message. What
yes,
can I do to avoid that?
yeah, that is because you're using Google Gemini, right?
Yeah.
Okay. That is because your free token on Google Gemini has exhausted for today. It has finished for today.
Okay.
Yeah, that is why.
Oh, that's the reason. Okay.
Yeah, your free token on Google Gemini has finished for today. So you wait, it will reset tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. So
Talk now. Can I talk?
yes, talk.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. I wanted to. I don't know. I will enter your DM. We'll talk this in your DM. But I just want to let you know that I will be entering your DM so that I will say something. I don't say here, sir.
Okay. No,
But it's going to be immediately after you finish this class tonight.
Okay. No problem.
Yes, sir.
So we don't want to talk here. You want to go toast my coach?
I be man now. Wait till they talk now for you. Your problem.
Now the more reason why would they ask?
No, impossible.
If
My wife will kill me.
If let's say I want to go 14 years, Jonathan implemented 14 years. Okay. So any other question? No, me and I will go 14 years.
Regarding the assignment, Abi mini project.
Which of the mini projects? Which one is mini
You
project?
say we are going to that will put in our portfolio. They're going to build something.
Okay. What's your question now?
Like, are you going to give us a clue, or we should just build on our own?
Find whatever according to your field, according to area in AI automation you want to choose. Find an elaborate project, a company, a business problem you want to use AI to solve. You understand?
Okay.
Let me give you a clue.
Okay.
You can ask your AI, you can ask your Grok or your ChatGPT to give you that you want to do a project or presentation on AI automation with N8N, that it should give you at least 5 business problems in so field, the field you have chosen. I'm not the one to choose for you. The field you have chosen that can be automated. Then it will help you, I prefer doing things like that with Grok, not ChatGPT. I prefer doing things like that with Grok because Grok will go to different social media places to go and search the frequently posted issues people have.
Okay.
Mhm. Okay, so who else?
Any assignments, sir?
Yes. So the assignment is this: rebuild this system I have built. Rebuild this system I built now. Rebuild it. That is your assignment. This one I built now. You rebuild it. Okay. You can add another sub agent now. Rebuild it for a store. Please follow my instructions, and I have a reason for it. Rebuild it for a store. You might build it for a boutique, but make it an ordering customer service, ordering system. That is a customer service that will take order fulfill order, and answer questions. So you're going to give it a knowledge base of, products and about your business. All right. So what I now need is make it to have 3 sub-agents. I've already done this to be 1 sub-agent. Okay. So you make it to have 3 sub-agents. 1 will be for knowledge base, 1 will be for products, another one will be for FAQs. Okay. 1 will be for what? Knowledge base. Okay, yeah, knowledge base and FAQs are actually the same thing. 1 will be for knowledge base and FAQs, right? 1 will be for order fulfillment. Yes, order fulfillment. Okay, and 1 will be for what again? So your knowledge base should be able to answer frequently asked questions about the business. Then this other one will be for sales. That is sales, where the price of the products will be. The price of the products will not be here, but it will be on sales and order fulfillment. So which means you're going to make use of something of like Excel. You attach Excel, right? You attach Excel, that spreadsheet, you attach it to always record what the person has chatted. So it will take order, answer query, and yeah, it talk to customers. Or it will also take complaints. So you add another one for complaints and escalation. So anything about complaining, it is that one that is going to take charge of it. So complaints and escalation, number 1. Order fulfillment, number 2. Then knowledge base and FAQ, number 3. Then this chief orchestrator, right? So that is your assignment. Then it must have input from at least 3 inputs. 1 can be WhatsApp, Telegram, and chat inputs. At least 3 inputs. Then here should have at least 2 inputs. So if here is given 3 inputs, which means here should be at least 2. So if you're adding WhatsApp here, you should have WhatsApp as an output. So use exactly what I have done using this switch. You can see what I did here. If merge channel is equal to Telegram, it should flow through, is equal to chat input, it should flow through this route. If it is not, it should flow through the other side. Okay, so have 3 inputs. Now this can form one of the things you post, and trust me, if you post something like this, you're going to start bringing attention to your page. Okay, and I'll be the happiest person if you build this. How do you do your prompting? Do everything you want to do. Connect everything you want to do. Do rough prompting. Okay, do a rough prompting. Name your sub-agent. Please listen attentively. Build everything you want to build. Do the whole thing you want to do. Then do your prompting. You are customer care for your customer care person for so place. Do your prompting, what it should do, instruction and everything, right? Then when you do it, finish, you copy your entire workflow. Mind you, you still prompt this side, but you prompt this side minimally. But look at your description. Your description must be here. All right. Then you come and prompt here. You add option. Prompt these ones minimally. Okay, what they should be doing and what they should be doing. Then after doing all those, you copy your entire workflow. Copy. Go to your AI, go to your Grok or ChatGPT, paste it there and tell it to improve the prompt of this agent orchestrator and output only the improved prompt. Then it will give you an improved prompt that you will copy. If you want it to do some other, if you want your prompt to do some other things like it must send email, it must store data, it must do this, you always write it in your AI, in that your ChatGPT, write it so that it will improve the prompt and give to you. All right. Is that well understood? Okay.
Okay, I have a question.
Time has gone.
Oh, that is paining me.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead with the question. We are behind.
From your screen sharing, the message trigger we're having Telegram and the normal chats, any chat. So my question is, let's assume we have a chat trigger of 5 trigger, and messages are all sent at the same time. Won't it break the flow?
It will break the flow, but you now need to add.
Loop.
You now need to add the loop. Yes.
Okay. That's question understood.
All right. Adobe, go ahead.
You mentioned using WhatsApp.
Yes.
I don't know. The last time you said that WhatsApp is quite difficult, that you have to connect through Facebook or something. I don't know.
Yes.
You mentioned going to Facebook.
Yes, so do it now.
How about people that do not use Facebook?
Hmm?
How about people that do not use Facebook? Must one have like Facebook accounts?
Yes, you must have. Don't you? You have Instagram accounts?
Yeah.
Yes, now. That means you have Facebook accounts. You have Meta dogs. Just yeah. Hmm? If you have Instagram accounts, you have Facebook accounts. Now it's the same suits. You use the same suits to do it. Yeah.
What if you are not using a Facebook account? I have Instagram, but I don't do Facebook at all.
Yeah, that's what I just explained now. If you have Instagram accounts, it is still the same Meta business suits.
Okay.
It's the same business suits. Yes. Then you use it. You create. But I think if you don't have, you need if it doesn't work, then you need to create Facebook account.
Which means it will be quite stressful. Don't worry.
Automation is never no, use WhatsApp. What if you get a client that wants you to use WhatsApp? Will you tell the person that WhatsApp is difficult? Go and use WhatsApp, but use WhatsApp.
So I have to create a Facebook account because of.
Yes. If you have a client that wants you to build it, won't you go and create Facebook account?
Okay.
Just create a fake Facebook account just for this practice.
You must not create a real, but try and use your Instagram account. See if you log into Meta Business Suite.
Okay.
All right. So that would all right.
The journey is not easy.
It's not easy, but is it not worth it? Okay, so that would be it for now. See you guys on Saturday. And
Boss, a very swift one, like 10 seconds question. Should I go ahead, sir?
Go ahead.
Like, how many hours do you think we should be learning this per day so that we can be as good as anybody?
You should dedicate at least two hours per day. Dedicate at least 2 hours per day to build a workflow.
Okay, I think it's worth it.
At least, so I do not say 2 hours, I say at least minimum 2 hours a day.
Okay, noted, sir.
Okay. Another question? Okay, in the absence of any questions, see you on Saturday where we enter our week 4, day 1. Week 4, day 1, I told you guys AI is going to be sweet, but I have taken a route that makes you see the work in it, the raw work in AI, not just the content, not just hi, AI will give you, I am so person, then you'll be happy that no, it doesn't end there. It's actually what and what and what and what you do under the AI that matters. And I bet you will not see a lot of multi-input and multi-output AI workflows out there. Trust me, you will not see a lot of them. Isdor, go ahead.
So is there like a screen recording for anything? Like, you know, when you run a flow and it starts spinning, how do you activate that spin to see the thing spinning around when it's executing?
I don't understand though.
You know, sometimes when you watch some N8N demos, you see the workflows are spinning when they are executing. How do you activate that? Any idea?
I guess most of them use Loom now. They use Loom to record their laptops, the laptop screens. N8N doesn't. See, all those people, right, that do this thing on Facebook. On Facebook and yeah, Loom will give you 5 minutes free, 5 minutes free. But others, they now pay $18, $20-something to get Loom paid accounts that they use to do all those videos. There is no easy way to make money. Even if you want to use N8N for content creation, it will give you money. Like it will give you money on Facebook, on social media platform, and on YouTube. It will give you money, right? People with their different reasons for learning N8N and automations, right? But then you will still have to spend money to get those things. Okay, William, go ahead.
The boss. Remember before the inception of this training, you told us that N8N permits nothing more than 14 days. That is kind of trial version for every newcomer, that is in every account. And after which it will expire. And now, but you said that's not a problem, that there is a way you will help us maneuver.
What is that way I told you that will help you to maneuver?
No, you did not disclose it at that initial stage. You only told us that there will be a way to provide.
Okay. No, he disclosed it. He disclosed it.
Okay, thank you. What did I say? What did I say is a way to maneuver?
You say you give some people 1 year something, and those people now they've already collected it. 10 people, they've already collected it.
No, 5 persons. 5 persons.
Okay, 5 persons. Yes, they have already collected it.
That is one. The next one I said was what?
Maybe you do your own personal. What
That's self-hosting on your laptop now. That's local hosting.
Okay,
yes,
number.
Yes.
Then number 3 is what again?
He says,
3, we know somebody that can help us host our account on the cloud for 30K for a year.
Then I now said you can be registering other
Opening
accounts.
email.
Yes. I gave 4 options. And I have even written in the group, I think 2 times, that those that their account has expired can either self-host or open another account. I have not gotten any interest from anybody that said they want to self-host. To say, oh, teach us how to self-host. I haven't. So, Williams, you don't read what is in the group. You don't read messages there at all. And I think you skip a lot of information, actually. And which is why sometimes when you come up with your question, it seems like I'm not giving you the response you like. You said now that I did not tell you people how to, and people here have testified that I told you how to, and I've even wrote it in the group that if your N8N is expiring, even Adobe here has said it as well, that her own is expiring. How do we do it? I said self-host register another account. But have I seen anybody in the group say, oh, I want to self-host? Please, how do I self-host? Nobody has said it. So please, yes.
Please, that self-hosting, I think, let us know now. Please.
You want to self-host? Williams, you want to self-host? I know why I'm asking this. Do you want to self-host?
If it is a cheaper way, then fine.
No, it's costly, my brother. It should be costly. Self-host.
Wow.
Na money
No,
or na
no, no,
dollar.
no.
But that's not maneuvering.
No. Self-hosting on your laptop is free. It's free of charge. On your laptop, it's free of charge. But the question is, do you really want to self-host on your laptop? I know why I'm asking this. I hope you know when you said.
Is it going to slow down the system?
Number one, I said it from the beginning.
They should come and ask me.
I said it from the beginning, even on TikTok. I used to sing it even on TikTok that if you're self-hosting on your laptop, you need a good laptop because it will slow down your laptop. And you need good internet, not this internet that you'll be your network will be cutting you off. No, you need better internet for it to even load. Do you understand? And self-hosting comes with its own. It is free of charge, but you have a lot of technicalities. For you to link your email like this, you will do like this, first of all.
Please give us the best possible way.
Which is the best possible way I've given you? If you have other email accounts, I said all these things from day one. Don't say I did not say it. I said them from TikTok. If you have the other possible ways is create account. And I have told you people here that one of the classes, I told you people that when I was learning, I created 3 N8N accounts, 3, before I self-hosted. I created 3 to be sure I was good with integrating on cloud first before I self-hosted. I self-hosted on my laptop before I met Steward. Steward now gave me cloud hosting. You understand? And you know, I always say it too, their integrations are not the same, which is why I told everybody, register on N8N first. Because integration on N8N is different from cloud hosting, is different from local hosting. They are different. They are not the same. Understand?
So for the self-hosting, right, I run N8N in Docker, in the Docker container, which I have not used it. It's already running. Each time I launch the Docker, it runs, but I'm not using that. Is that what you use? Did you use Docker for your self-hosting?
Local hosting, like on my laptop?
Yes.
No, I used them. It was not JS I used. That's the npm
not
stuff.
JS. Okay.
But then,
Docker. Right. Okay. All right.
Okay, it will also slow down your laptop. There's Docker, there's Node.js. I would download the Node.js, I would Node.js container, then I will use the npm, use on command prompt, and again, another thing is, it has to take you good internet also to download, to do all those, because you run it on command prompt a lot. If you want to self-host, no problem. I will teach you, bring out a day for people that want to self-host. I'll teach you how to self-host. That is not an issue. All right, but don't come to class like this and use it to because these are things that I've been talking about, asking. We shouldn't be talking about Wanda, please go on. We shouldn't be talking about things like this and let them be taking our time.
Yeah, I'm doing self-hosting, but like you say, it is a lot of headache. Because I do Docker in combination with the ngrok.
Okay.
Yeah.
For practicing is good. It's good for practicing. You just use it to practice on your own side. It's good. That one is not bad. It's very good. Practice. But if you want to run the production link, you want to test, like on Telegram, I don't think you can even integrate Telegram when you're local.
I don't know also, but I will find it out.
So if you have a small, if we have a small client, what should we suggest them to use? Just like a pilot test before they can start
If
spending.
you have a client, this is what I would advise you, right? If you have a client, okay, that you want to maybe demo, you want to show demo, and you're sure that okay, you want to start building workflow to sell to people or to show demo to clients, just do cloud hosting. Understand? Do cloud hosting so that you can give them the production link to test as well. Understand? Do cloud hosting. Steward is doing cloud hosting for 30,000 a whole year. There is these people, Hostinger is doing it for $5 per month, which is also bigger than 30,000 naira for a whole year. There are people that do small money, okay? But for a whole year at 30,000 naira, I think it's a fair game, which was even why I did not really now talk much on the local hosting, because I know the Wahala local hosting we give you is higher than that 30,000 naira. Trust me, the Wahala it will give you. But one good thing is that it will make you to learn. If you're somebody that doesn't give up, but for someone, that's what I'm asking. For someone like Wheels, I will not advise you to local host. I'm saying it with my foot. I will not advise you to do local hosting, Wheels. Someone like Wheels, no, don't do local, because you will just abandon it. In fact, you abandon anything. By the time you want to link your Gmail and it's giving you error, you just tell me, the boss, I've done this thing, no, and I don't know what and nothing is working here. So I will tell you, if you have some emails, please use other emails to register on anything to your master it. Then I can talk to Stewart to give you, let me know if there is a free hosting that he can give you particularly, so that he can give you 1 year free of charge. Is that okay? But know that the integrations are a little bit technical as well. So for those who have clients, this is my advice. If you have a client, and I've been saying this always, if you have a client that is sizable, please allow them to host by themselves. You will not, if there is a data bridge or something, you might not come out of it. Allow them to host. You can design it on your own instance. You design it on your own instance. And as a beginner, this is my advice. As a beginner, if any client is hosting locally, don't take that job. As a beginner, if any client is hosting locally, don't take that job, unless the client is agreeing to host on cloud. But if he's hosting locally on his laptop, I'm not talking on his server, on his laptop, don't take that job. It will give you a negative review, but you will not come out of it well. You understand? So see you guys in the group and on Saturday. If you have any questions, please bring up. Always ask in the group. Take screenshots of your problem. Say it in the group. Any issue at all you're having, say it in the group. Someone is there to answer you. You shouldn't be coming to class here to be answering technical problem, to be solving technical problem. It's not nice. It takes our time. Something you ask in the group, and it will be answered. We are taking time to come and start answering those things or resolving them here. You're having issues with your N8N instance, come to the group. Okay, you're having issue with your switch node, come to the group. You're having issues with your AI integration, come to the group. Okay, people will answer you. All right, so thank you everyone for